Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss Week 8 Programming Assignment answers of the course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python. Please subscribe my channel if you get some help after watching this video. So in this programming assignment, this is the title of the program, that is Here and There Be Dragons. What you have to do, you have to first remember 4 things, that is R denotes the number of rows present in the kingdom, C denotes the number of columns present in the kingdom, D denotes the total number of dragons in the kingdom, and K denotes the number of dragons you have to kill. Okay. Now this is the input format, that is R, C, K and D, that means row, column, number of kill and the total number of dragon present in the kingdom. So and you can see the sample input is given here, that is 5, 5, 2, 3. That means number of row is 5, number of column is 5. You have to kill 2 dragon out of 3 dragon. Here you can see that there is 5 rows and 5 columns. Now 3 dragons are present there and you have to kill 2 dragons. Now if suppose you want to kill this 2 dragon, that means this and this, right? First of all you will be there 0th row, 0th column. Then if you want to go and kill the 2 dragons in the first row 4th column and second row 3rd column, now you have to go first one step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 5, 6, 7, right? So in this way you can go. Now if you want to kill these 2 dragons, this and this, then you have to go in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you have to go 8 boxes, which is not the shortest route, right? Now if you want to kill this dragon and this dragon, then you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the shortest route is you have to kill these 2 dragons, right? By going 7 steps, right? So you can see that in the output there is written 7. And in the sample input, what is this? 1, 4, 4, 4 and 2, 3. This is the location where the dragon is there. That means 1, 4. That means first row and 4th column. First row and 4th column, 1 dragon is there. Now in the second line, that is 4 and 4. That means in the 4th row, 4th column, 4th row, 4th column, 1 dragon is there. And in the same way, 2, 3 is given. That means in the second row, 3rd column, another dragon is there. Now the output is 7. And this is the code you have to write. I will give the code in my description. You can copy the code from there also. Then after that you have to click this save and draft, and after that you have to click compile and run. When you click this compile and run, you will see here that all the test cases are passed. Now you have to click this submit button. You can see the result. I faced some problem, that is for some test cases the time limit is exceeded, and for the other test cases it is passed. So if you can do this code in an optimized way, like you can pass all the test cases, then you can post it in my comment section and it will be helpful for the others. So thank you for watching this video.